Hey there, Math Explorers. Welcome back to our math channel, where we make math super easy and fun. Today, we're diving into something called one-step equations, but don't worry, they're not as tricky as they sound. By the end of this video, you'll be solving them like a math jump. Let's jump right in. Number 1. What are one-step equations? So, what exactly are one-step equations? Well, they're math problems that you can solve in just one step. Not complicated stuff, just simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. How to solve them? The secret to solving one-step equations is to get the answer by itself on one side of the equation. We do this by doing the opposite of what's happening to the number we're trying to find. Example 1. Adding and subtracting. Let's start with an easy one. X plus 5 equals 10. All we need to do is get x by itself, since 5 is being added to x. We will do the opposite and subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves us with x equals 10 minus 5, which gives us x equals 5. Example 2. Multiplying and dividing. Now, let's try one with multiplication. 2y equals 12. We want to find out what y is, and it's being multiplied by 2. So, to undo that, we divide both sides by 2. That leaves us with y equals 12 over 2, which equals y equals 6. And that's all there is to it. One-step equations are no big deal once you get the hang of them. Remember, just isolate the answer by doing the opposite of what's happening in the equation. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a math solving superstar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy mathing.